This is the inside review between the Redmi 9 and the Tecno Pova. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys which of these two smartphones you should buy based on the inside components. Alright, I am the inside man and this is TechRan. To begin, we'll start the comparison of these two, the inside components, from the battery of these two smartphones. By the way, if this is your first time of being here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. The battery of the Tecno Pova is 6000 mAh, while the battery of the Redmi 9 is 5020 mAh. Now, placed side by side, you will tell the difference between these two batteries. You'll see that the battery of the Tecno Pova is way bigger than that of the Redmi 9. It's like pitching the tallest man in the world against the shortest man in the world. How would that even look like? But that is how it seems like. The Tecno Pova is tall, but that is okay because it has 6000 mAh battery. So if you are thinking about buying the device based on battery capacity, the Tecno Pova is definitely your phone here. Then another key difference between these two devices is the fact that the Redmi 9 comes with dual speakers. Yes, it comes with a dual speaker. The dual speakers of the Redmi 9 offer better sound than the single speaker of the Tecno Pova. So if you are the type that like playing music aloud or watching a movie from your phone without using a headset, a AirPod, or whichever means you prefer, you can go for the Redmi 9. It gives you that loud sound. One of the reasons why you might also want to consider buying the Redmi 9 is the fact that they come with a USB Type-C port, while the Tecno Pova come with the standard USB port. So if you're looking for something modern, something more recent, you buy the Redmi 9 because of the USB Type-C port. But that is not the only difference. The chipset is where things get more interesting. They both have the same MediaTek Helio G80 chipset. They use same camera features, even though the arrangement is very different, as you can see. I mean, you can tell that although Joe Biden and Donald Trump are presidential candidates, but they are two different persons. So Xiaomi and Tecno are two different companies, though they are smartphones companies. One thing you will notice from the chipset of the Tecno Pova is that it comes with lots of paste and copper coating, which means more cooling, better cooling efficiency. While those of the Redmi 9, there is really no good copper tipping for the chipset, which means it will get heated up pretty quickly. And this we can see from the speed and RAM management comparison done by MediaTek and TechRan, where the Tecno Pova completely floored the Redmi 9. They both have same rear mounted fingerprints and they both works pretty solid. So if you are thinking about going for based on fingerprint sensor, guessing value, there's really nothing there. Then they also use same mode of communication through a ribbon cable from connecting the bottom board to the main board. Now, this is the only speaker you have in the Tecno Pova. Is quite bigger. The top speaker is quite bigger than those of the Redmi 9, but a single speaker is a single speaker and is nowhere near dual speakers. So this is what the comparison of the Tecno Pova, the inside comparison of the Tecno Pova and the Redmi 9 looks like. Right? So if you're asked to choose between those devices, if you need my advice is, if you are the gaming type, you will buy the Tecno Pova. Reason because the Tecno Pova, though, is a little bit more expensive but offers better cooling system, which means you maximize the use of the chipset. It has bigger battery, which means that you play game for a very long time. But then if you are the one that you like camera and you prefer a more budget friendly device, then you should buy the Redmi 9. It's cheaper. It's about 200 75 USD, while the Tecno Pova is about 210 USD. So there's a little price difference there. All right. So, but then for gaming, go for the Tecno Pova. While if you are on a tight budget, go for the Redmi 9. Right. So this is me, the inside man, and this is the inside review of these two smartphones. If you have any questions, you have any suggestion, please leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Alright guys, so this is it for today. Remember, here at TechRound we focus on what is inside. It's me, the inside man, signing out of TechRound. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.